Good evening, everyone. Welcome. Today. Well, uh, I've got the part of the weekend edition. This one is the weekend edition of November the 21st, 2024. The paperboy has not delivered this part of the newspaper. In this part, we have the regular medium Sudoku with 3 stars and the Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. This one I will solve if I have the time the next time. Yes, I will do the 3 stars medium Sudoku, and this will be a number 9652. Yeah. Last weekend, Saturday, Sunday, I've not received this part of the newspaper, so I cannot start with the medium Sudoku with 3 stars. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the row below? So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then need a 5 here, need a 5 here. Yeah. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only place left, 2 should be there. 3. Need an 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left 8 should be there. 7. Well, we have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left 2 should be there, 2. Then let me see. How about 6? Need a 5. 5. Then 1 and 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Interesting. 6, 8, 7. Come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. How about in this middle column? 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in the middle column could be here, could be there. 4. Okay. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 8, 7. Okay. And now 6. Need a 9 here. 8. And I need a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. in 6 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1, 1. Need a 4 here, need a 9 here. 9, 9, 4, 9. 4, 9. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. Okay, this box very important. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 9. 1, 3, 4, 9, 1, 3, 4, 9, 1, 3, 4, 9, 1, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this row. And we have a 1 in the last column. So no 1, the 4, and the 9 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 3 then. Yes, we got you the 3. 1, 4, and a 9. Well, we have 1 here, okay. So 2 numbers left now in the second row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. Alright. We have 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. Need 8. Need 8. Oh, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Oh, 8. And now, need a 4 here. I need a 4 here or there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1, 7, 1, and 7. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4 cannot fit. Oh, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 9. Okay. Then let me see. 9 and 4. All right. Yeah. Do we have all the 5s? No. How about the number? These 3 missing numbers in this first column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. Cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7. 3. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 3. These 3 missing numbers in this row. Well, we have the same numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And this box can be a 1. This box can also be not a 3. So one digit left should be the 9. So the 1 and 3 are left in these two boxes. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 4 goes there. One box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Let me see. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. I need a 4 here. Okay, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 7. Need a 7 here. 1, 3, 7. Yeah. Need a 7 here. Okay. How about? Need a 4 here. Need a 3. Come on, the 3s. Where are you? The 3, 9, and the 3, 9, and the 6. We need a 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3, 7, and need a 1. Need a 1. 1, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 3. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 3. And we need a 7 here. Okay. 3 and 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 3 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. Then 1 or a 3, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 1 or a 3. We have a 1 now in this row, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 9 and the 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 40 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, I'm very well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again later on with the Samwise Sudoku. So see you then. Bye bye for now.